today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make grilled corn on the cob. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do mine based on just 3 ears of corn. You can do these as many as you want, doesn't make a difference. So all we're going to do is take the husk off. Just like so, revealing our beautiful sweet corn. Now there are a few different methods for doing this. It is very popular to sort of just cook it with the husk. When you do this, it doesn't sort of char the corn as much. But of course it does work, and it does take a bit longer. So it's really up to you. There's so many countless ways of doing this. You can even wrap it in foil if you want. Alright, so we're ready to cook these. Now some people do brine it, I prefer not to. I prefer just go straight from the corn onto the grill. So if you want to brine it, just put into some water with salt, that's up to you. Alright, so here comes the fun part. So I'm going to grill these on my grill here. So we're just going to put some oil spray on it. Be careful doing that, as fun as it is. And we're going to go ahead and place our corn straight on top. So guys, as for cooking time, we're looking at probably about a minute on each side. This will cook very, very quickly as opposed to the method in the husk. Alright, so after about a minute, we'll just carefully turn our corn just to the side like that. You can already see that beautiful charred color. That's what we want. So we'll go ahead and give it another rotation. Alright, let's give it another turn. So we just want to keep on turning to get it nice and charred all over. Simple as that. Alright guys, so this one here is nice and charred all over. Just look at that. So I'm just going to take that and place it into a bowl. And these other ones are only about a minute away. That just smells absolutely amazing. Alright guys, and these are good to go as well, so let's take them off. So we're just going to place them all into a bowl. Just like so. So now here comes the really fun part. We're going to generously brush each of these with some butter. Obviously you don't have to do this, but that flavor is just amazing with butter, trust me. So be generous with it. Now, as you can see, I'm wearing gloves because these are ridiculously hot, so don't go burning yourself. Alright guys, so once the butter's on, salt. So freshly cracked sea salt. And some pepper. Let's go ahead and serve. And I'm just going to finish it up with some fresh parsley. That's seriously all you need for this dish. Alright guys, now's my take on grilled corn on the cob. So a nice simple recipe with just salt, butter and pepper. That's really all you need, but there are so many different variations out there. I've seen people adding cheese, ranch, spices, anything to this, even sweeter as well. But, I mean, how can you beat that? Nice, short and simple. And bloody juicy. Because I literally have to lick that salt off my lips because it tastes so good. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram and TikTok. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.